Hey Alice. Sorry. But anyway. So how to unblock Google Drive in China? While having access to websites like Google, Facebook, and Twitter. Good. Good. No. This is bad. This should be in the end. Intro. Directly into what makes a provider good. It needs a bit more explanation. Not all VPN providers work in China, so make sure you find one that does. All our recommended providers are available in the country. But good? This, man, just use the full stop. I don't know why you use the dash. Alright, where possible, try to make this into um, two paragraphs rather than three. And always, I should have mentioned this, the review should be in a separate line below all the other paragraphs. This should not be a separate paragraph. That's just off the top. I'll allow it, but needs a full stop. The user is to advanced users. Full stop. Within a few clicks, just make short sentences. No need for long ones. I see now, you're trying to hit all three. Don't do that. At least don't think like I have to hit usability, security, and speed and server network. As a rule, you can just do two things. All that matters is that there's 250 words. I would usually just go for two and write more about them. Sorry, I'm gonna have dinner. I'm starving. So that's for next time. For now, this is okay. Just put this somewhere and put the review here. Like this could easily go together. You could say it's really good, da 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 da. Also very easy to use, da 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 da. But overall good. Just to show you how I do this. Just like this. If you want to learn more, visit the review. That's literally it. Sorry. Okay. Good. These are mostly security, so you can tie these two paragraphs together pretty easily. No, bad. Didn't explain anything. Uses 256-bit AES encryption, which is considered military grade to protect your data. It also has features like the automatic kill switch. What does it do? Which keeps your device and identity protected when your VPN connection drops. Now just tie this, if you can, into one paragraph, or don't. Then add a line, review, line, and then da-da-da, but this is good. So here, just all the same stuff. Preview separate line. This should not be a separate line. Now, you should make your sub headlines just more relevant. So, not internet laws in China, but why do I need a VPN? Very good. This is good. And this is my mistake. You should not capitalize. This is not, however. This is a moreover, additionally, because it doesn't contradict the previous point. Always make sure the logic of your sentences is sound. Once you have picked your VPN provider of choice and have a Google account. So what happens if we remove this clause? Okay, I see. I see what you did. This is clause 1, this is clause 2. But usually the same verb applies. So once you've picked and log into your Google account, right? Keep tense. If possible, after the first verb. Better headlines, man. Just get to the point. ShadowSox is an open source proxy developed specifically for overcoming restrictions created by the Great Firewall of China. I understand we do have to beef up word count, but just get to the point. It's not a technique. Just say prior to using SOX 5. Good. That's all. Actually, this is already much better. So well done. And just go over this with everything I said. The main thing here is just like put the review in a separate line, and everything else that I said, this can go in the bottom, but honestly we can just delete it. Other than that, actually the main thing I wanted to address you didn't really do here, so I wanted to say, don't start using your own language when you don't know what to say. Like, when you say technique, I know you don't know what you're talking about. Because no IT person uses the word technique to describe something that a computer does, right? Or, I mean, very rarely. It's not a normal thing. So just stick to what's written on this, Sorry. So, stick to the script. And, just use words that appear on their documents or similar language.